Hello everyone, welcome to Desert Succulent, and I just wanted to give you an update, a 1-week update of our succulents after nga nating mag-apply nung contact fungicide. Sa mga hindi pa nakapanood ng previous video natin, yung ginamit ko is yung Turogi Blue Broad Spectrum Fungicide, and after a week nga, ganito na nga yung itsura ng ating mga succulents. And as you can notice, may mga blue stains nga sa leaves ng ating mga succulents. So this one is something na temporary. Ganito yung magiging itsura niya after you spray it and after na nag-dry yung fungicide solution na in-apply natin. So in any case na ayaw nyo ng blue stain sa inyong mga succulents or ornamental plants, you can make use of yung Dethane kasi parang yellowish white yung stain nun, so it's gonna be lighter as compared to this blue stains na ito. But if totally ayaw ninyo magkaroon ng stains yung inyong mga plants, we can make use of the Tango Systemic Fungicide kasi yun, hinahalo lang siya sa tubig, then pinangdidilig siya sa ating mga succulents. So ibig sabihin talagang walang magiging stains yung inyong mga plants. But for me, I prefer using itong ating Turogi Blue Contact Fungicide kasi it's really one of my way to see kung ano na nga ba yung mga succulents or plants na na-applyan ko na at yung mga hindi ko pa na-applyan. Kasi dito nga sa ating succulent table, hindi lahat nalagyan ko. And so if may nakita akong mga blue stains na ganyan, it means na nalagyan ko na sila nung ating fungicide. And if you are gonna ask me kung paano ba natin matatanggal itong mga blue stains na ito, we can just simply put them outside. So kung umulan, paulanan nyo lang sila and let the rain, diba, wash off yung mga blue stains. Pwede rin nating diligam directly yung leaves ng ating mga succulents, but you should not, kumbaga, manually remove the stains using a tissue or wiping it off kasi baka matanggal din natin yung farina or the white powdery coating ng iba nating mga succulents. Kaya you just need to wait for the time na mag-totally fade away yung mga stains na yan. And by the way, I would like to emphasize na after natin mag-apply nitong fungicide na ito, at least for the next 2 weeks hindi sila mabasa or madiligan. Kaya you need to consider kung saan nyo ilalagay yung inyong mga succulents. So for me, doon sa pinakalikod na part, medyo nababasa sila pag umuulan pero very light lang naman. Kumbaga tumatalsik lang yung tubig pero hindi naman sila directly na nauulanan kasi if that happens, mawawash off nga yung fungicide and sayang naman, diba, yung in-apply nating fungicide. So at least 2 weeks, dapat hindi sila mabasa. And also, pwede rin nating sprayan even yung mga leaf propagations natin para to prevent na rin yung future fungus. This is how our lawi looks like after spraying the Turogi Blue Fungicide. Ayan. And we have the Crispate Beauty. So definitely lahat ng mga succulents ko, whether rare yan, whether common yan, whether makapal yung farina nila or hindi, talagang ini-sprayan ko sila nitong ating fungicide. So abangan niyo yung next na video natin kasi I will be watering yung ating mga succulents and show you how can we remove itong mga stains na ito. But definitely sooner or later, as I've mentioned, I will be giving away some of our succulents kasi we will be moving in a different na location. So definitely hindi ko madadala lahat ng aking mga succulents. Some of them, ilalagay ko sila sa ating office. Pero some of them, ipapamigay natin sa ating mga subscribers kasi yes, you deserve to have itong mga succulents na ito. And it's really one of my way to say thank you sa lahat na nag-support and continuously nanonood ng ating mga videos. Kaya abangan ninyo yan. Siguro I will be making another mechanics kung sino yung mabibigyan natin ng mga succulents. But that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.